This video looks at how to perform common row operations on a matrix. First, let's enter this 3x4 matrix in Run Matrix. We can now easily perform row operations as needed. To access the operations, press Row Op. For scalar multiplication of row 2 by half, press Row Multiplication, then enter the multiplier, then the row, and press Execute for the result. Other operations include adding rows together. To add row 2 to row 3, press Row Addition and enter the rows to add in the right order. Then press Execute for the result. To combine operations, press Row Multiplication and Addition, enter the multiplier, the row multiplied, and the result row. Press Execute for the result. This method can also be used to subtract one row from another, and we can also swap rows if required.